How to mute YouTube video on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So to mute your YouTube on your phone, you cannot do it on your app. So what you have to do is type in youtube.com on your Google Chrome or any browser. After that, you'll see a page like this. Now what you have to do is tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then scroll down until you see request desktop site. Tap on it and then your page will be changed into a desktop view. Now tap on the video that you want to play and then there you'll see a sound option like on your laptop. After you see the sound option, just tap on it to mute it and you can play the video without any sound. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.